Hello. I was with a different home warranty company for a little while and switched over to Choice due to lower premiums and promise of better service. Recently, I my AC unit had gone down, and I filed my claim. And this was on a Saturday before Memorial Day. The tech showed up on Memorial Day and had my AC unit fixed in 20 minutes, for the small $75 fee that you pay. So uh, I was very shocked. I wasn't thinking it's going to happen that fast, but it did, and it was fixed. And this is the main reason I stayed with Choice.